Your gaming device could be on the brink of disaster without you even realizing it. Thermal throttling is the silent threat lurking in your tech, jeopardizing your gaming experience. It's not just a number on your screen, it poses a genuine risk that could cost you hard-fought victories. Picture this: you're in the heat of battle, adrenaline pumping, when suddenly your frame rates drop dramatically. You might dismiss it as a temporary glitch, but what if that's thermal throttling at work? Every time you push your system to its limits, it generates heat, and excess heat leads to performance drops. Many gamers focus on adjusting graphics settings, unaware that poor cooling can sabotage their gameplay. Imagine being in a boss fight, heart racing, when your screen freezes. The thrill of victory is snatched away by an invisible enemy. Thermal throttling. This issue affects gamers everywhere, and it's time to pay attention. So, what causes this problem? Often, it's neglect. Dust accumulates, vents become clogged, and your once powerful rig struggles to breathe. It's like trying to run a marathon with a bag over your head. Unthinkable, right? You might believe you are doing everything right by keeping your device clean and gaming in a well-ventilated space. Yet, even the best efforts can fall short. Your hardware may not be designed to handle the heat effectively, and that's a gamble many are losing. And they will be be fair, be only here, What's the solution? It's not just about cleaning, it's about understanding your device's limits. Consider investing in cooling pads, monitoring software, or improving ventilation. A small change now could save you from major disappointment later. Take a moment to reflect on how you treat your gadgets. They are not just tools, they're your partners in adventure. Recognizing the risks of the thermal throttling is crucial to protecting those epic gaming moments. Next time you gear up for a session, remember it's not just about the gameplay, it's about keeping your tech in top shape. Stay ahead of the game. Have you ever felt your gaming device slow down just when you need it most? That's more than a minor glitch, it's a warning sign that could lead to serious issues. More Picture this: you're deep into a game, adrenaline pumping, and suddenly your frame rates drop. Frustrating, right? This often signals thermal throttling, a risk many gamers overlook. But what's really happening here? Many assume it's just dust buildup or overheating, but there's more to it. The design of your tech might actually be working against you, restricting your flow at critical moments. Have you noticed how sleek and compact most devices are today? That's a red flag. Imagine you just bought the latest gaming laptop. It looks fantastic. But a few months in, it starts lagging. You might blame software, but what if it's actually the heat? That stylish design can trap heat inside, leading your device to throttle. And it doesn't stop there. If you're running demanding applications, you could be pushing your device to its limits without realizing it. Ignoring those warning signs risks permanent damage. Just think about losing all your progress in a game because you didn't act in time. Feeling the pressure? You're not alone. Many gamers face this without fully grasping the consequences. The thrill of gaming can quickly turn into frustration, loss of speed, stutters, or even crashes. It's a tough cycle, and you're right in the thick of it. So, what can you do? Start by monitoring your device temperatures. It may seem simple, but it's crucial. Consider investing in better cooling solutions. External fans can significantly enhance your gaming experience. And remember, regular maintenance is essential. Cleaning out those vents can make a big difference while you play. Here's the takeaway: the next time your device slows down, don't ignore it. Recognize the signs and take action. Your gaming experience depends on it. If you found this information useful, consider subscribing for more tips to keep your tech running smoothly. Your next gaming session deserves it. What if I told you your gaming device might be secretly sabotaging your performance? You might think it's all about having the latest graphics card or the newest game update, but there's a hidden culprit many gamers overlook. Picture this: you're deep into an intense gaming session, adrenaline pumping, and then boom. Your frame rates drop, your character lags, and your shot at victory slips away. Frustrating, right? You might blame your internet connection or your setup, but what if the issue runs deeper? Enter thermal throttling. Enter the thermal throttling. It may sound technical, but it's vital for your gaming experience. Many gamers ignore it, unaware of the problems it can cause. Thermal throttling occurs when your device overheats. Think of it like a car overheating on a hot day and it starts to slow down to protect itself. Imagine you've just bought the latest gaming laptop. It's sleek, powerful, and full of promise. But after a few hours of gameplay, it heats up. The fans kick in and suddenly your frame rates plummet. Your device isn't just slowing down, it's trying to prevent a meltdown. So why does this happen? It's not just about poor cooling systems. It could be how you are using your device, where it's placed, or even your settings. Many gamers don't realize that placing their laptop on a soft surface can block the vents, trapping heat inside. It's like a ticking time bomb, and you might be the one setting it off. You are probably wondering, okay, I get it. But what can I do? The solutions might surprise you. Sure, cooling pads and fans can help, but there's more. What if adjusting some in-game settings could boost your performance? or that you can monitor your device's temperature for free. Everything you thought you knew about protecting your gaming gear could be off. It's not just about upgrading hardware or buying the latest gadgets, it's about understanding your tech's limits and learning to work within them. Imagine diving into a game without worrying about slowdowns. Picture yourself mastering thermal management